Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted apps on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Applications on Macs are easy to be removed. If you find your apps disappear from your MacBook 2 to one of the following cases, how can you recover the deleted apps on MacBook? It's very simple. Don't worry if you just accidentally uninstall or delete your apps from your MacBook and you want to recover it. It's very simple. For example, we just remove this app from my MacBook and I want to recover it. How to do it is very simple. So you can check on your trash. You can open your trash first. On your trash, you can choose on the apps that you want to recover, you want to restore. Because I will just delete this Pinterest, I want to recover this one. You can just click right on your mouse, or you can choose on the apps and click on the three dots over here. There is an option put back. You can just click on that. Don't forget to enter your MacBook password. So now you have you have restored that apps from your MacBook and you can use that app again on your MacBook. Very simple, right? So that is how to recover, how to restore deleted apps on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.